Hello everyone, welcome back to Somar cooking channel. Today I will be making taro with sticky rice dessert. The recipe is very simple and the dessert is very delicious. Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Now let's start together. First we will clean the dirt of the taro. Then peel off the skin. After clean it well, we will cut it into chunks. This peeled taro weighs 1 pound. Before we put it for steaming, we have to bring a half pot of water to a boil. The water is boiling, so put the steamer on and steam it for 20 minutes or until it's well cooked. 20 minutes later, if the fork can break it easily, it means the taro is well cooked. All the ingredients are ready, so we can start making the dessert. Here is 1/4 cup of glutinous rice. Before use it, we need to soak it in the water for 30 minutes. So after soaking, transfer it into a pot by draining the water out. Then pour another 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Now the water is boiling, so put 3 pandan leaves in and frequently stir it until the sticky rice gets softer. The sticky rice turns soft now, so add half teaspoon of salt, half cup of sugar. Then you need to stir to dissolve the sugar and salt. Next, you need to add 2 cups of coconut milk in and bring it to a boil again. The mixture is boiling, so put the steamed taro in. In order to have a thick texture of the dessert, we need to mix 2 teaspoons of tapioca starch or cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water and mix it well. Then continuously stir it while pouring the tapioca mixture in, otherwise it will get lump or clumps. So gently stir it until the pudding is boiling again, then turn off the heat. Actually, the dessert need to have a coconut cream sauce for topping, but my recipe you don't need to add it. Everything is all in one. Yes, the dessert is done, so thank you so much for watching. If you have any question or idea, you can write it down in the comment box below. And see you in the next delicious recipes. Bye!